You can now have a super smart assistant that understands everything you say with ChatGPT and Tasker. Check it out. Here's a few examples. First, let me start by something simple like, it's getting a bit dark here. My phone could help light it up. And as you can see, toggle flashlight was called and my phone's flashlight is enabled. Can disable that. Or I could say, it's St. Patrick's Day, light it up. And as you can see, it intelligently turned on my bedroom lamp here with the green color because it's St. Patrick's Day. And what if I said, it's Halloween now, so light it up? Or something like that. It now turned it to red because Halloween, it's supposed to be bloody. And finally, let me say something like, what's my phone battery at?
Your phone battery is at 33%.
So these are just a few examples how you can let ChatGPT control your phone and do stuff with it with Tasker. These 3 tasks are very simple, and you can see them here. Toggle flashlight was the first one. It's simply one action, the torch action set to toggle. The other one, the bedroom light one, is an action that takes 2 parameters, where the first one is the state of the light, and the second one is the color, and then it just calls this action here, matter light, to control the light. And the third one is the get battery level. It has one action, and it simply returns the battery percentage. And so how does this work? Well, you import this project in a video description, and then you run this task called task setup, and here all your tasks will be listed, and the ones that you want ChatGPT to control, so it won't control everything on your phone directly, you have to configure it here. So the ones that you want it to control, you set a description. For example, bedroom light turns the bedroom light on or off. And then you set the parameters. In this case, there are 2 parameters. The first one is the state of the light, and I say here that it can be on, off, or toggle, which incidentally is the states that this action, bedroom light, this action supports. So if I go here, you can see that these are the 3 options that it supports. So going back to this, you can see that the first parameter will be on, off, or toggle, and then the second parameter will be an hex color in the RGB format, and I explain it how it has to format the color here so that the action correctly accepts it. So with this natural language explanation here, I can make it call my task with these 2 parameters, and it will work. Let's check out the flashlight one. That one is very simple. It's just a simple description. It has no parameters, so it just toggles the flashlight on or off. And finally, the other one I showed, the battery one, it just has this description, get my phone's battery level. And depending on what you say, it intelligently understands what you mean and calls the correct task. And so, as you can see, this battery level has one main difference, which is it has a return action. So what the return action does, it returns a value, and in this case, this value will be my battery level. And when you return that value back to ChatGPT, it will form a natural sentence with that value and tell you what it is. I have another example of this here, the check stock price, and this one receives a parameter, which is the stock symbol. For example, APPL is the Apple one, GOOG is the Google one, etc. And then it makes a request with that data, with that stock symbol, and then returns the values to ChatGPT. And so this is how it works. What's the stock price for Apple today?
As of 2:27 p.m., the stock price for Apple AAPL is $183.95. Please note that stock prices are subject to change throughout the day.
And notice that in this task, I didn't even parse any data. I simply sent it back all the data that I got from the stock API, and it knows how to deal with it and get the correct values out of it. I have another example here. For example, I have, say, if it rains today, it simply checks if it rains, and if it does, it tells ChatGPT. Okay, so let's do a fun one and say this. Is it going to rain today? Announce it like Shakespeare would in a poem.
In the realm of nature's ethereal stage, at 2:30 in the afternoon's age, comes forth the query that tugs at our thought. Shall droplets of rain be by the heavens brought? Alas, dear friends, with a heavy heart I say, the tempest's fury will not grace this day. The skies, adorned with the sun, unobscured, casts its golden light. Forsooth, my friends, the heavens decree no rain today, as whispered by me.
Okay, so that was a bit long. You probably don't want to do that every day. I can also, since this is Tasker, of course, you can do anything you want with it. So I have a task here that rings my phone, and it simply sends a message to ring the device name with the first parameter. So let's see how that's set up here. Ring. And I simply said that it rings your phone loudly, and so you can easily find it. And then the first parameter is the phone's name. So if I say, oh, and by the way, you can also activate this as your assistant. By long pressing the power button here, as you would call any of your assistant. I lost my Pixel 5. And notice that you can say it any way you like, and it always understands what you mean. So, for example, if I said, now where did I put my Pixel 5? You don't have to be careful at all and just say things that come to you, and it'll understand what you mean. So lastly, I wanted to show you this one, which is an example of using the Spotify API. So again, this is Tasker, so you can do anything you want. You can access the web, you can get info from anywhere you want, and then call it with ChatGPT. So in this case, the Spotify API is called to toggle, let me just put this on play here, toggle shuffle on and off. So if now you can see that's not shuffling. I want to shuffle these songs. And now after a few seconds, you can see the little dot here. It's starting to shuffle. I don't want to shuffle these no more. Shuffling is now turned off. So as you can see, you can now do basically anything you want at all on your phone using the intelligence of ChatGPT to understand what you mean, and then convert that into calling tasks with parameters, and then even returning info from those tasks so that ChatGPT can tell you what it returned. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.